Red light therapy is a non-invasive treatment that uses red light wavelengths to stimulate healing, reduce inflammation, and promote overall wellness. Originally developed by NASA to help astronauts heal injuries in space, red light therapy has gained popularity in recent years as a safe and effective way to improve skin health, reduce pain, and enhance athletic performance. While red light therapy was once only available in medical clinics and spas, it is now possible to enjoy the benefits of red light therapy at home with the use of handheld devices, lamps, and light panels. These at-home devices emit red light wavelengths that penetrate the skin and stimulate the production of collagen, improve circulation, and reduce inflammation. Red light therapy has been shown to be effective in treating a variety of conditions, including acne, wrinkles, muscle soreness, and joint pain. Take a look at this short video.
Welcome to our guide on red light therapy at home. Today we're going to explore what red light therapy is and how it works. Red light therapy offers numerous benefits, including improved skin health, pain relief, and enhanced wellness. There are several types of red light therapy devices available, including LED panels, handheld units, and specialized masks. Each serves a unique purpose. Choosing the right device for home use depends on your specific needs. Consider factors like target area and ease of use. Setting up your red light therapy space is key. Make sure it's comfortable, clutter-free, and has a power source nearby. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use red light therapy safely at home. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions. How often should you use red light therapy? Frequency and duration depend on your individual goals. A common recommendation is 3 to 5 times a week. While red light therapy is generally safe, there are some potential side effects and precautions to consider, such as eye protection. Don't just take our word for it. Plenty of users have shared their experiences with red light therapy at home. In conclusion, incorporating red light therapy into your wellness routine can be a game changer. Start your journey today.
One of the main benefits of using red light therapy at home is the convenience and affordability it offers. With at-home devices, you can easily incorporate red light therapy into your daily routine without having to schedule appointments or leave the comfort of your own home. In conclusion, red light therapy at home is a convenient and effective way to promote healing, reduce inflammation, and improve overall wellness. With the availability of portable devices and customizable settings, it is easy to incorporate red light therapy into your daily routine and enjoy the many benefits it has to offer. Click the link in the description to learn more. Whether you're looking to improve your skin health, reduce pain, or enhance your athletic performance, red light therapy can be a valuable addition to your self-care routine.